I seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like it was not a though. Walk inside my kitchen, baking soda all up on the floor. Police banging on the door while gripping the 44. I was just a youngin', but this type of shit I seen before. Y'all see a white boy, but my daddy a Negro.
So this is my new 2016 bike check. Got some new stuff for the whip, Stasi. So at the top, I got Colt AK grips. I like them, they're clean, comfy for the hands. Got the BSD M decap lines. I like them, like the surroundings metal, and then like the middle is nylon, so it's like a good finish with like edges of metal. And I got the Stolen Shadow stem. It's gone to like 8 different people, but it still holds up. It's like on 2013 complete or something, so I still have it. So then I have the Odyssey Pro integrated headset. It spins really nicely. I run 2 spacers, so I'm not a retard. Yeah, I got Colt Sept V3 forks. They do the job of the fork. I like the welds on them and stuff. So I got the BSD ALVX V2 Pro frame. Alex signature. It has a really short back end, so I'm a little cheater. Spins are easier now. Around 20.6 top tube. And I like my bike's nice, small, and twitchy. Then I have front wheel, I have Colt D-Hard slick tires. 2.4s back and front. And for rims, I got hazard lights, Odyssey. Supreme spokes with a Colt match front hub. Female axle. Then I got DK cranks. Do the job, I mean. Then I got Odyssey twisted PCs. These are the best pedals in the world. I run these pedals forever. Then I got a Shadow Serpent sprocket.